Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Idris Ansari and I'm a network security enthusiast and cybersecurity researcher. I'm here to guide you on a complete journey into the world of networking and security, from absolute fundamental to becoming a professional network security officer. In today's digital age, every organization relies on secure networks. And behind every secure network stands a network security officer. A network security officer is responsible for monitoring systems, analyzing threats, protecting sensitive data, and defending the network from attacks like malware, intrusion attempts, and even large-scale DDoS attacks. This career path is perfect for students, beginners, IT learners, and anyone who dreams of working in cybersecurity. But to reach this level, you need strong foundations, a deep understanding of networks, real hands-on experience, and the mindset of defender. We begin with the most essential building blocks networking core. Here you will learn how networks truly work. IP addressing, switching, routing, subnetting, OSI and TCP-IP models, ports, protocols, DNS, DHCP, everything you need to understand. Once you understand the network, we move into cybersecurity fundamentals. We will discover how attacks happen, how hackers think, and how systems are protected. We cover threats, vulnerabilities, encryptions, authentication, security controls, and more. This section builds your mindset as a defender. After learning the basics, it's time to step into real security. In core network security, you learn about firewalls, IDS intrusion detection system, IPS intrusion prevention system, VPN, access control, segmentation, endpoint security, and network monitoring. These are the tools and techniques used daily by security professionals. Next, we go deeper. Advanced network security covers modern enterprise-level protection, zero trust architecture, security information and event management, security operations center, threat hunting, incident response, risk management, and defense against advanced attacks such as man in the middle, DDoS and ransomware. This is the stage where you transform from a learner into a professional. But theory alone is not enough. That's why this program includes hands-on labs. You will configure networks, deploy firewalls, analyze traffic with Wireshark, detect attacks, and solve real-world security challenges. This is where your skills become practical and job-ready. By completing this journey, you will understand networks, master security concepts, perform real defense techniques, and think like a cybersecurity professional. This entire course is designed to take you step by step from beginners to confident network security officer. I'm excited to guide you through this complete transformation. Let's secure digital worlds together. This is Muhammad Idris and your cybersecurity journey starts now.